Okay, so inside the car, if we just power that up, what we have in the car is full Google Android system. Okay, so let me just, so you have to edit that bit out. So what that allows you to do is many things. You can see we've got Google Mapping showing on the car at the moment, and we've got it on both screens. You don't have to have it there. If you use the view button on the steering wheel here, you can change the screen here. So you can have realistic, which will show you the car on the road. It will also show you other cars around you on the road. Minimal and driving. Okay, so we get a degree then of more information. So we get some trip information, and when we're driving along, you're going to get your speed limit and a power meter showing you when you're in power or whether you're recharging. Okay, where you're regenerative braking. So that's adjustable, as is this. So the central screen, 12-inch. You can go in the 5 what we call worlds across the top. So in the car world, you can change things like the Multisense modes. So the Multisense modes can be selected using this button on the steering wheel here. And the 4 modes are comfort, which is an all-rounder setting, okay? But in each of the modes, you can configure things like the steering effort. So do you want it to be low, so very light and easy to park, or would you like it to be high, so it gives that sensation of feedback as a driver's car, if you like. This particular car has got 4Control, which is the 4-wheel steering, developed by Alpine. And again, you can adjust the amount of intrusion, if you like, by that 4-wheel steering from, on this comfort setting, 1 to 7. So that's comfort mode. The other modes are Eco, which reduces potentially your fuel consumption by altering the response from the throttle pedal. It turns down the energy consumption of the air conditioning. It also reduces the energy consumption of the 4-wheel steer system, and so hopefully that gives you better mile per gallon. And then if we go again, there is a sport mode, and in sport mode you get more instantaneous throttle response, slightly heavier feel from the steering, and you get maximum, if you like, involvement from the 4-wheel steer system, which gives you that agility. Okay, and then last but not least, there's Perso mode, which is personalization, and you can configure that however you want it in terms of engine response, steering effort, and 4-wheel steering. Talking of options, you can also change in the car the ambient lighting here and down the doors as well, okay, and also the dashboard lighting. So at the moment we're in this sort of gold color, and if you switch to personal and hit the palette here, you can change that to
I can see that on the screen.
many colors. You can see that changing as I'm going around. Okay, so it's kind of a, so let me just go to the home screen. Right, so having Google Auto on the car gives us a lot of facilities to do certain things. So if you go to our apps page, and provided you're either got some data on the car itself or you're tethering it to your phone, you can go on Play Store and then you can download things like Spotify, for example, a music player, Vivaldi browser, which allows you to go and watch video content. So if I hit Vivaldi browser now, so if we go here, for example, if I go back from there, it'll allow you to watch YouTube, for example, or you could go online, you could watch a video of the TT races. Obviously we're going to see a few adverts here, but I'll just, as soon as that clears, I'll put some volume up. And this is a standard feature on all models, so from Techno all the way up to this iconic Alpine model, you're going to see this facility. So we put you on full screen, just wait a second, and then we've got the ability to, as I say, watch video in the car, or just go online. You know, you could go and do your shopping, you could watch a video, and that's again the standard feature of the car, all right, which is absolutely fabulous. And that's one of the things that makes Google in the car absolutely, you know, a great system to have, and kind of way ahead of a lot of the competition, to be honest with you. You can also, as I say, do music, and one of the best ways to integrate with the Google system is just to ask it. So, hey Google, play Elton John.
Got it. Asking Spotify to play Elton John.
has the Harman Kardon system, so that's got 12 speakers, including a subwoofer. And the quality, to be honest with you, is excellent. It's also adjustable, so if we go into the ambience settings here, you can see that there are 5. Okay, so if we go to music here, Android Auto as well, and Apple CarPlay. So if you listen, so it's on immersion with surround sound. Concert will emphasize the vocal. Studio is like instruments.
The concert was better, I would say.
Yeah. The club is more bassy. The lounge is more laid back. But it seems immersion seemed to be the one that. Yeah, let's get the wrap around sound as well.
Alright, okay.
There we go.